Assalamualaikum, halo semuanya dimanapun Anda berada. Semoga sehat selalu dan
bahagia.
Dallas bahagia karena hari ini Dallas membangun Lego. What kind of the Lego, Dal?
Okay, I'm not going to tell you, but you had to watch my video first. And you had to subscribe first.
What is your YouTube channel?
My YouTube channel is called Dallas Web Channel. This Lego set is the biggest Lego set in the world and I'm building it.
Wow, how big this one? How tall this?
It's taller than me.
And taller than me?
Yeah.
Oke, jadi pemirsa, hari ini kembali lagi di acara Icip-icip Internasional. Nah, kali ini saya punya sesuatu di depan saya, ada goreng-gorengan. Bagi orang Indonesia ini enak sekali dan yang pasti udah umum ada di gorengan ya. Itu saya punya goreng nangka, goreng nanas, dan goreng pisang. Nah, ini nih, sini. Ini saya mau kasih ke bagian bawah. Hari ini yang bertugas adalah Imran. Ini benar-benar aneh bagi orang Inggris. Kalau gitu kita lihat saja bagaimana reaksi mereka makan goreng-gorengan ya, buah-buahan ini. Siapakah yang datang hari ini? Saya terus terang tidak tahu siapa saja yang akan datang hari ini. Yang beruntung saja yang datang. Oke, Dallas?
Yeah, and this is very nice too. I've tried it.
Let's go down. Okay, Dallas?
Okay,
let's go. You think, Imran, what is that?
Potato.
Oh, no? You try first. Anyway.
Sweet potato.
Hi, come and try this.
Oh, what is it?
Fruit, but you need guess.
Oh, they're all three different?
Yes.
I want to send it to Hendra and show him.
Potato?
No.
Is it traditional?
No, it's Asian fruit.
Oh, yeah.
I've had this before, whatever it is inside that.
Got me.
Jackfruit.
Jackfruit?
Banana.
Yes, that's easy.
This one.
Oh, another one now.
That was banana.
This
Which one
is
did you
so
have that
good.
one?
This is so good.
Yes,
I want
it is.
one more now.
Just eat more. You need to try this one.
I can see what this one is.
What is that?
Pineapple.
Good.
I can see that one on the side. This is going to be interesting. Oh, wow.
It's good.
Which one the best? Three of them.
The banana.
Banana.
Oh, that
Okay.
Thank you.
Oh, you're welcome.
Save it for me. I'll have more.
Okay. It's nice, Imran.
Yeah.
Is
I'm
it-
surprised the pineapples, juices and everything are still in there.
Come on, try. You bite first,
You
you guess.
guess the...
Nice.
what is it?
Not a clue. Something sweet. Like a fruit.
Yes.
Jackfruit.
Jackfruit. Never had it before.
I'd say that's the hardest one. That's probably the hardest one, but these I reckon you'll get these ones.
Yes. You try next. Don't tell her.
I'm not, no. I want to see his reaction.
Come on in. Just
What's
eat.
this? I haven't tried any of this. Which one have you tried?
The middle one.
Mango.
No?
What do you mean? It's so obviously pineapple, it's yellow.
Mango.
He's one of our slower employees.
Just like, yeah, sure.
Carry on.
Yes, carry on.
Protein.
Well, probably, yeah.
Didn't know that one.
This one's good, yeah.
What is that? Do you know what is that?
Mate, come on.
He's had it before. You know what? This is what this does to you, you know.
Wish we got applied some of the other ones still.
But the taste.
Yes.
The taste is hard.
Nice, thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome. What, Imran?
In the taste, like this now, if they hadn't said banana and I tried it, I think I would have found it hard to guess banana.
Really?
Because I could taste the sweetness, but the full bananas, like you know, that pineapple straight away you could taste a lot of the pineapple in there. That one, I'm not gonna lie, it would have taken me ages to work out. I've had jackfruit before, but I could taste that. I've tasted it before, but it would have been very hard. That was easy for me to guess. This, I think I would probably struggle with this as well. But only because I could see in the shape of it and like I could kind of see that it's banana. That's why I guess it's banana. But in the taste, I gotta say, you know, a lot of the banana flavor, it cuts it down.
Which one, three of them, your favorite one?
Probably this one, only because they taste a bit more sweet than this. They're all nice. Jackfruit one's nice, the pineapple one's nice. But with the pineapple, obviously, when you bite it, you're not expecting that, you know, the pineapple juices to come out that
Yes.
sour tang or whatever it is. But with, I think this, probably the banana one would probably be my favourite.
The best one, yeah.
I would have thought when you fry it, the pineapple will lose all its, well, the freshness basically. I would have thought it would have dried out, but no.
Oh, it's juicy, yeah.
Yeah.
I like that one. And the jackfruit is
The,
sweet.
the batter on top is the same for all three.
Yes, same for
So you
three.
just dip in.
That's right.
It's interesting because if you had them in a plate, I don't think no one would know that they're all different. They would all look the same, but
Yes.
each one different. It's the first time I've had any fruit like in a fried way.
Yeah.
Okay, do you remember last time when you got us? Was it the smoked? Was it like smoked or dried banana? The one it just looked like we just.
Oh
what it was.
yes, that is sale pisang. Yes.
See with that, you've got more. It's a more sweeter taste. So with this, like the banana doesn't seem as strong. If that makes sense, the banana taste, which I prefer because you can get more of like with that one. As soon as when you bite into it, the pineapple juices like take over, so you can't really appreciate the batter and everything. I like crispy batters and that kind of stuff.
Yes.
But I think this one will be my favourite. They're all nice.
Yes.
But out of all the three of them, banana works.
Yes, that's right. That is very famous really
Which
in
one's
Indonesia.
Dallas's favourite?
Which one your favorite?
The pineapple.
That is special for you today, Ibran.
I'll have one little thingy one.
Yes.
No, I've got it because I still got my lunch from home as well to eat at some point. You get it in the as soon as when you bite it, that's when you get the pineapple taste.
The juicy one. Is it?
Don't fry long. You just put in there and just quick.
Until this brown. That's all.
Slightly brown.
Yes, that's it.
See if you can guess a hard one. But there's easy ones.
Okay.
And I'll let you know. Have a taste of all three?
Oh no, just try one because I'm in the middle of my lunch, so.
I ain't gonna lie, you picked the hardest one to guess. I would have struggled if I wasn't told what it was. You just recognise that taste. You've probably not
really
even,
can't tell.
you might not have even tasted it before.
I'm trying to cheat, so I'll look at it. Almost looks like a sweet potato.
No.
I kept saying potato, sweet potato.
Do you want to know what is that? What is that?
Jackfruit.
No, never eaten jackfruit before.
Really?
Never had it.
Do you know what it tastes like? The jackfruit's possibly really good for you. Though.
Are you launching out in business?
Okay, so Yuni's got a YouTube channel. She does cooking from Indonesia. So we're lucky enough, like once a week, Yuni makes little extravagant little snacks and sometimes meals, brings them over. We'll have little tasters and then we just get reactions of other residents and whatnot.
Lovely.
It's like an international food tasting sort of. We get tasters and I mean, I get amazed what you can do with certain ingredients. You know what you're used to, like what country you're from, and then all of a sudden you get different.
Yes. Hi, Gar. Hello. Good, thank you.
Good, thank you.
Yes. You working Friday?
Friday, yeah, thanks Friday.
Oh, the last day.
Oh, sorry.
There we go, thank you.
It's Carl. Look at that. What we got
Hello,
today.
How are you?
Good.
How are you, man?
Not too bad, man. You okay?
Good, thank you.
We've got some little snacks here to taste.
Yes.
I thought that just went right again, didn't I? Eh?
Perfect.
And yesterday you delivered the Lego, the big box. Is that you?
Was that yours?
This.
Thank
you.
No
It's
problem.
very
Lego.
big.
Very nice.
I didn't expect it. It's very big. Massive.
What is it? What? I mean, is this something you got to build?
Yeah, Apple Tower.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
How many pieces?
10,001.
10,001.
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
Oh,
He always build the biggest Lego set.
that's nice. Isn't it?
Yes.
That's
So
good.
how big's that going to be when it's done?
More tall than me.
Wow.
Really?
Yes.
Wow.
That's good.
Yes. So, Carl, you have many comments from the viewers that they love you so much.
Do they?
Yes.
You got fans, mate?
Have I? Yeah. I don't like to talk about it, mate. Yeah.
Seriously, don't tell your wife. She will be jealous.
I'll have to have a look.
To be honest, you'll see from the little thumbnails.
Yeah,
You'll
yes.
start seeing
So
the
it's
phones.
oh, look at that.
And then read the comments. And
Yeah.
you know what? Because some are in English, but a lot of them are in like the Indonesian language. But
Oh, yeah.
you press the translate thing.
Oh, it does it?
Yeah. And you'll notice yours because, like, you know, when they're gonna mention you on it, you'll just see like you ain't gonna understand like. I was going to put
Yeah,
your
yeah.
name, Carl.
Carl,
Like, what? Translate. You're like, wow.
Guess what is that?
Have I got to get all?
Yeah, 3 different things.
Oh, is it 3 different
Yeah.
things? Right, first
Yeah,
one.
you're not going to get clues.
Yeah. Oh, delicious, aren't they? It's quite sweet. Oh, it's good.
Yeah. I think he cannot guess it.
We'll give you one guess. It was the hardest one.
That's the hardest one.
Yeah.
Is it some sort of fish? No.
Fruit.
Oh, it's all veg. Oh, is it?
Fruits, yeah.
It's actually all fruit.
Kiwi fruit? No. No.
Okay.
Jackfruit.
Jackfruit?
Jackfruit.
I don't think I've ever tried jackfruit before. That might be my first jackfruit though.
Okay, Jack
Very
first the
nice.
first. Okay, the second one.
Second one.
No, this one. The second one. This one first.
Sorry,
Yeah.
let me get help, but try this one.
This one first, yeah.
I do apologise. I didn't
No, all different, yeah.
Sorry.
What?
Oh, pineapple. That is nice.
Easy.
Oh, that's so refreshing.
Any?
Easy.
I was surprised with it as well.
Yeah.
I would have thought if you're going to be like frying pineapple, it's going to dry out with the juice. No,
I know it is really juicy. So refreshing.
It is.
Oh, I like that one. That's a good one.
The last one.
One? Is that one? Oh,
Yes.
that's a biggie. I just. That was really good. Don't like a potato? Potato? No?
That is the easy one.
Is this an easy one?
Yes.
This is an easy one.
I don't think I can get it. I think I've still got the pineapple. It's really like, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Oh, it's easy.
Do you know what is that, Dan? Tell Carl.
Banana.
Banana.
Oh, sorry, thanks. Every time, man. Oh, delicious. That's really good.
It's amazing what you can do with the...
You can't believe it, can you? That was really
It's the
nice.
same batter that's on them. It's just literally
Yeah.
bits of fruit cut in batter and
Just
fried.
right. That was beautiful.
Which one? The 3 of them. Your favorite?
Pineapple wasn't. They were all nice, but that pineapple one was absolutely delicious. Really nice.
Really?
I really like that one because, as you said, it was still juicy, wasn't it? Like like still really, really refreshing. That
Yeah.
pineapple one, beautiful, but very nice. Thank you.
Okay, you still got that one. Just
That
eat
one,
that.
yeah.
Yes. Whatever you like.
The jackfruit. I've never tried jackfruit. I don't think.
I've tried it once before, but you know, I feel like it's got a taste like something else as well that we've eaten regular.
Like that jackfruit,
Yeah.
though, that's nice.
It's nice.
I've never tried that before. That's very nice.
Jackfruit was very
Yeah,
good for you as
very
well.
neat, is it?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, Carl, just say hi to your fans.
Hello there, everybody. Hello, fans.
Carl, is it Carlos or Carl?
Carl.
Carl.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, so
Yeah.
I'm apologies. Last time I said Carlos. It's not Carlos. Carl.
Carl,
Okay.
yeah.
Okay, Carl.
Thank you very much again.
Icip-icip international.
Yippee yippee national.
Is it international?
What's it? What is it?
Egypt international.
Egypt international.
Okay.
It's as good as I'm going to get.
Okay,
Thank you
Carl.
very much,
Okay,
thank you.
bye.
Get a picture of your Eiffel Tower so I can have a look at that. because that sounds really good.
Okay.
Yeah.
He have a channel also, the last web channel.
Oh, really?
So, yes, he build all the Lego and put in the
Oh, very
yeah.
good. That's
Okay.
great. Well done.
Okay.
Well done.
Okay, thank you, and you too. Okay, thank you. Yeah, bye. Okay, Imran, thank you so much. That is all for you, Imran. You can put in here for you later, but still crispy and crunchy.
Terima kasih banyak.
Okay, don't forget icip-icip international.
And icip-icip international.
Okay, bye
Thank
Imran.
you,
Okay,
bye.
bye.
Yeah.
See you later. Ternyata nggak sia-sia ya bawa goreng-gorengan yang bagi mereka sangat aneh. Semua menyukai ya pemirsa. Jadi yang datang hari ini yang beruntung menikmati gorengan-gorengan yang sensasional ini. Yang pasti mereka semua benar menebak nanas, tapi untuk pisang sangat susah. Padahal gampang ya untuk ditebak pisang. Kalau jackfruit sih atau nangka sih pasti susah mereka karena jarang banget orang-orang di sini makan nangka. Saya yakin mereka nggak jadi udah hal yang biasa kalau nggak tahu. Tapi kalau untuk pisang itu aneh kalau nggak tahu. Oke, segitu aja video hari ini. Terima kasih yang sudah subscribe, komen, dan thumb. Sampai ketemu di video-video selanjutnya. Tungguin saja episode dentist minggu depan karena minggu ini mereka liburan. Jadi ganti-gantian siapa yang liburan siapa, karena sekarang ini musim panas jadi orang-orang pada liburan semua. Oke, permisa. Dan juga tungguin video ala slide tradisional to internasional. Kira-kira masakan tradisional apa yang dibikin berkelas. Oke, bye.